Most satisfying cleaning equipment and ingenious tools. Rubbish? Dust? Dirt? In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best cleaning equipment and tools that will make your life so much easier and our world a bit cleaner. Are you a cleaning freak? Do you know what's really annoying? Trying to clean with brooms, brushes, sponges, or paper towels? That's why I'm going to show you all these cool equipment that will save you time and energy when it comes down to keeping things clean. The term cleaning equipment is very broad. There are many different types of equipment available, but it's important to choose the right equipment for a certain cleaning job. Furthermore, the way cleaning equipment is used has evolved a lot over time, i.e., robots have replaced tools in the cleaning sector as well, and technology is now a top emphasis. So, with numerous types of cleaning equipment in the market, it is usually hard to choose. However, we're going to help you here by discussing common types of cleaning tools along with their benefits. So, stay tuned. First ingenious entry on our list today is Surface Edger. It is basically a revolutionary piece of equipment we believe every pressure washing company should have. An easy technique to clean sidewalks and driveway edges without making a muddy mess, as it cleans as fast as you can walk. Works with up to 5,000 psi machines and 2.5 to 8 gallons per minute. Also reduces cost and boosts work earnings without wasting water. Built of rugged, heavy gauge materials for years of service, it saves time and effort to get the task done faster. In short, a tried and true performer designed by professionals for the professionals. So now, no more mud and grass flying on you or the job surface. Bobcat Sandcleaner is the next clever cleaner. Now you can clean everything, from benches to playgrounds, horse and racing tracks, etc. With a rate of up to 15,000 meters squared per hour. It's an effective attachment for both wet and dry sand and soil. Due to the machine's compact size and its exceptional mobility, the operator can work around fixed impediments and reach remote sites with narrow access routes, collecting garbage and any lost jewelry as well. And you know what? It's always pleasant to retrieve lost beach jewelry from the sand. Another amazing entry on the list is Bomford Ditch Cleaner. It is designed to work with a variety of side arm mowers, making roadside ditches and grips easier to maintain. Manual, hydraulic, flap, and slew in standard and high-speed models are available, each with 600mm diameter rotary cutting head driven by a multi-stroking radial piston motor. The cleaner head is both compact and powerful, plus is capable of operating in wet or dry conditions. Moreover, the design ensures that the hydraulic motor is fully protected from any damage, while the underside of the head is curved in order to smear, and so seal the bottom of the freshly cut ditch or grip for a quicker runoff. Elastic Omni Catamaran, the ingenious trash skimmer, is to be discussed next. It can skim floating garbage at harbors and protected waterways thanks to the marine-grade aluminum litter basket. The 23-foot boat has an inverted bow that ushers debris into its 98 cubic foot trash basket, making it easy to handle in difficult to reach regions. Moreover, the replaceable pod system allows it to be utilized for a wide range of marine maintenance tasks. Let's now shed some light on the Brush Hero, another cleaning expert. Can be termed as the ultimate car wheel cleaning brush kit for beginners. A one-of-a-kind wheel brush that was created to be the best wheel brush ever. Brush Hero works great on just about any tough mess that we may be thrilled to discover. Spins with a lot of torque and is compatible with any regular garden hose. It isn't basically intended to rotate so quickly, i.e., the scrubbing power is maximized when done slowly and steadily. Can be used to clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, sporting equipment, yard tools, lawnmowers, patio furniture, muddy boots, and much more. Moving towards our next exciting entry The Falch Surface Worker 250. Whether it be ceilings, walls, or floors that need to have coatings and paints removed or be cleaned or stripped, Surface Worker 250 can coat quickly, flexibly, easily, and safely. This newly designed jetting tool is an absolute all-rounder and makes use of the hand lance superfluous in many applications, plus the multitude of conversion and attachment possibilities using the Falch multi-kit system allows the automatic jetting of almost all flat surfaces. Let's now take a look at our next crazy entry, Ecoppia E4, the world's leading autonomous water-free solar panel cleaning solution, commercially cleaning over 5 million solar panels a month. Ecoppia E4 is basically a cloud-based solar robotics platform that cleans PV panels without water. This is a sustainable technology that, with a fully automatic robotic system, conducts neat cleaning and ensures optimal productivity. Let's now discuss the Widontec MC3, the most satisfying commercial cleaner. This large, self-propelled vacuum cleaner is used for cleaning up festival grounds, i.e., the equipment is used to clean up leaves in the winter. Widontec can provide a variety of undercarriage applications for tricycles and can thus be employed in agricultural, horticultural, and industrial applications that require agility and minimal soil pressure. Last but not the least is Aqua Jet Roof Cleaning System. Cleaning the roof can be a complicated and hazardous task that nobody really enjoys. The makers hope to change this perception with a new tool meant to turn this into a safe, easy, and even enjoyable task. The Aqua Jet basically does all the work, so you don't have to do anything. It uses low pressure water and brushes to clean the surface of the roof without damaging the tiles. It basically works like a lawnmower for your roof. A worker can simply maneuver the Aqua Jet from the ridge of the roof, and its adjustable jets ensure every corner is clean. Well, that's it for today. So, which of these ingenious cleaning tools you like the most? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Time to take your leave. Have a nice day, friends. Goodbye.